Hello and welcome to STA 261. My name is David Swart and I will be your instructor for this upcoming semester. Over the next several weeks we're going to have a wonderful time delving into the exciting world of statistics and seeing how they affect and can be used in your everyday lives. People have a number of concerns when they start studying statistics. Chief among them that I want to dispel right now is that the belief that if you struggled with math, that you will inherently struggle with statistics. That is not necessarily the case. Math and statistics are two very different subjects. I started my educational career studying math at Eastern Kentucky University. I took a couple statistics classes while I was there, realized that they were very different and that math wasn't the right fit for me. I enjoyed the applications of statistics a lot more than what I was getting out of my mathematics education. So even if calculus was your worst class in high school, don't worry. That won't automatically translate to failure in STA 261. If you do find yourself having difficulty throughout the semester, I will always be available through email or office hours to help. It is my hope that everyone will do their best and succeed this semester. And we also have a team of amazing teaching assistants who will be here to help and guide you every step of the way. So once again, welcome to the course. Let's have a great semester.